The flaw that allowed law enforcement agencies to view your deleted push notifications on your iPhone or iPad is finally getting fixed in Apple's latest iOS update. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. This flaw was the only way agencies like the FBI could get into Apple's strict user privacy. Now, Apple Update iOS 26.4.2 introduces improved data redaction to address an issue where notifications marked for deletion could unexpectedly remain on the device. The update is available now on all iPhones above 11, iPad Pro 12.9-inch 3rd generation and later, iPad Pro 11-inch 1st generation and later, iPad Air 3rd generation and later, iPad 8th generation and later, and iPad mini 5th generation and later. The FBI's use of this particular iOS notification flaw was first reported by 404 Media, who learned the agency used a tool to access Signal notification data stored locally on an iPhone even after it was deleted. Signal CEO Meredith Whittaker later acknowledged the issue on Blue Sky, writing that notifications for deleted messages shouldn't remain in any OS notification database. At the time, Whittaker directed Signal users to adjust their settings so that notifications from the app didn't include the name of the messenger or the message content. And now that the issue's fixed, Signal said on Blue Sky that it's very happy that Apple issued a patch and a security advisory. According to EFF, the privacy of your notifications is vulnerable in at least 2 places: in the cloud, where they get routed through a company's servers and likely partially locked in metadata, and on the local storage of the phone where they've received. Apple's update should ideally make deleted notifications inaccessible, but limiting notifications content in the first place is also not a bad idea. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.